Shakina, back with another video. So today I'm gonna be opening up my package. I've been waiting on this to come all day. I'm so happy. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh my God, you guys. I am in heaven. Okay, something crazy. Oh my. Look at this. This is just so fucking pretty. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. You guys, I'm just like fucking excited. Like, I'm sorry, excuse my language. So, since this is the cuties, I'm gonna hold on. Let's just fade it. So we like, hold on, you can see it. Hold on. Okay, so this one say, kiss the miss goodbye. Your girl ain't gonna be no miss no more, nigga. She said yes. I think this is life. Comment down below, what is this? I think this is love is for life. If I'm not mistaken, love is life. I think. Champagne. Bride to be. He put a ring on it. Yes, he did, baby. He put that ring on it. Yeah. It's supposed to be like 40 things of luau stuff. Pretty. Ooh, pretty colors. Oh my God. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna open up one because I'm not gonna go too much stuff. Oh, this like sheds a lot. That's cute. It's a cute color. It's like a cute look. And then, oh, okay. So, little head thing. And we got ourselves a luau. Purple, like that. But I got these adorable. Oh, glitter. Oh my God. I'm gonna get like each one. These are going like little toppers. I'm gonna cry. Your girl is. Oh, I thought I broke something. I was gonna cry. I swear to God, I was gonna cry. You guys, let's show y'all what we got in here. We got all this stuff in here, guys. So what we have balloons, we have a bride-to-be veil, we have a veil, and we have a big balloon ring, then we have a veil, then we have a satchel, and balloons. I thought I ordered the background. I thought I did. I don't think that one came with background. This one's already. Yeah, that's all I got. That's all I need. You go. 40 balloons. These are like the ones that got the little glitter inside. Y'all can see it. I'm gonna try the balloon. Oh, I do. Okay. I'm like, I knew I came with a background. So it does came with a background. I didn't know I had this. Oh my God, this is so fucking cute. Look at this. Oh my God, it's all glittery. Let's see how this bitch look. Oh, look how much the little thing. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God. I don't know how I'm gonna wear this at my wedding though. Like, it's so cute. I think I lost it. I lost the pen thing. Okay. I look like the girl off the Nun. Look the girl off the Nun. You're like, edit. Everything. Cause like, why would I do that? This rose gold satchel is like fucking amazing. It's so beautiful. I don't like that. You can see it says bride to be, which is me, you know. The girl is the bride to be, honey. But I can't wait, y'all. Y'all more consistent with you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.